Hi everyone. In this video, I am showing you how to answer any call by just open the phone and call will automatically received. You can just answer call by just open up the phone. This is an amazing cool feature for Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. First, open Settings. Tap on Accessibility. Tap on Interaction and Dexterity. Tap on Answering and Ending Calls. Select Open Phone to answer, just enable it. Now you do not need any button to answer the call, you can just answer the call by opening the phone. Thank you for watching this video, please subscribe to my channel for more videos.